Hi traders, thanks for stopping by thetradinganalyst.com. This is Taylor, and I'm going to run through the TLT chart with you. If you're not already a member, go ahead and sign up via the premium membership tab at the conclusion of this video. I like TLT in the long run. I continue to like it long. It hit our target of 135, and after I go over the daily time frame, I'm going to show you the weekly chart to give you a better picture of what's going on. So we've got this support at 124. I believe if it makes its way down there, that'll be a great long entry. We've got this uptrend line to work against as well. And we've got this big volume by price at this 124 to 122 level, and I believe that TLT will get a bounce from there. All right, so let's look at the weekly time frame, and I'm just going to do a quick review of why I really liked it long when it broke out of this pattern right here, and then it hit our 135 target. Okay, overall, it's in a major uptrend for 5 to 6 years. Okay, so the trend is up. All right, in the long run and in the short run. So we had a uptrend line right here. Okay, and then we had this downtrend line right here, and it was squeezing between these two lines right here, and price was contracting. As you can see, price was wide here, came in and started snaking in, coiling up right here, and as you could see that via the Bollinger Bands right here. Okay, now do not underestimate tight Bollinger Bands on the weekly time frame. So we had a pattern break over this downtrend line with these really tight Bollinger Bands right here. And when you combine those two things, the recipe for success is very probable. Okay, so we broke out of that pattern with this tight Bollinger Bands, and we blasted up in 3 weeks, hitting that target of 135 of these previous highs. Okay, now we put in a potential reversal candle here, but let's rewind. Last year, or it was before last year, 2014, we saw pretty much the same thing. We saw a big blast up off of this uptrend line over here, and then we saw a big reversal candle, quote unquote reversal candle, right here at these previous highs, just like we did over here. Very similar, very similar. Okay, and what happened after that? We consolidated for a little bit, and then we blasted up higher. Okay, now I'm not saying that's what's going to happen with TLT, but the trend is up. TLT has been trending up for 6-7 years right now. Okay, and that is the trend, and you want to trade with that trend. Okay, so I believe that if we get another test of this uptrend line right here, that we will bounce and we will head higher. But of course, we need to hold this uptrend line. Otherwise, we could be heading lower to potentially this lower trend line right there. Overall, the trend is up for TLT, and I believe that consolidation would be a nice buying opportunity. All right, guys, thanks for watching the TLT video. Hopefully you were able to learn a thing or two. I really appreciate you guys stopping by. If you have any questions about membership, go ahead and email me, thetradinganalyst@gmail.com. I'd love to chat with you. It's a great opportunity to sign up via the premium membership tab. All right, guys, have a great afternoon, and I will see you next time.